gold set to close out its best year since 2010. Bill Baruch of Blue Line Futures joins us with a trade. Talk me through it, Bill.
How you doing, Morgan? Thank you for having me on here. Happy New Year. Listen, I've loved gold this year. Loved it for a long time, and I love it going into 2021. In fact, if you bought gold December 23rd and you've held it through the end of January, you've made money 15 out of the last 17 years. This is a very seasonally bullish time of year, but there's much more than that. You have the dollar weakness, and in fact, the dollar index closed down 6.66% on the year as of yesterday's settlement price. I think commodities are going to have a great year in 2021. Gold's going to benefit. Technically, gold is right at a trend line from the August high, and it's trying to break out. Comes in right about 1900. I think there's a great tailwind breaking out above there. I want to buy gold right here, 1900. I'm going to use the 50-ounce E-mini contract, and this gives you a little bit of less risk. A stop down at 1850, that's risking $50 or $2,500. My target to the upside is 2,000 on that, and that's going to be a $5,000 gain for a 2-to-1 risk reward.
I'm going to put you on the spot here a little bit because we've also seen a pretty big run this year in silver. I think it's one of the best performing assets year to date, and we know that the two tend to move together, although that gold to silver ratio is pretty wide right now. Wondering if you're thinking or you have any thoughts about silver as we head into 2021, whether we see that ratio narrow or whether it's a totally different story for silver, like electrification playing a role there.
I absolutely do. I'm really glad you brought that up. I love silver. In fact, I think it's going to continue to outperform gold. I think it's outperformed gold about 48% this year gain relative to gold's 20 to 24%, so about twice as good. I think silver right now, silver's already broken out above that trend line actually from its August high. And in fact, it's now using that trend line as support below. So it's building a really nice base. I think we'll see silver trade up to $30 here over the next month, but I think $35 is in the cards next year for silver.